In this video, you will learn how to create positive sentences, negative sentences, and questions using going to. This topic is a part of tenses. As learned earlier, use going to talk about something you think will happen in the future. For example, it is going to rain. Or to talk about something you will do in the future. For example, I am going to buy a car. Use going to with is, am, and are to form sentences and questions. A positive sentence means you are going to do something. To form a positive sentence, begin with the noun or pronoun. Add is, am, or are, followed by going to. Add the verb and extra information. For example, I am going to buy vegetables. Or, they are going to race today. A negative sentence means you are not going to do something. To form a negative sentence, begin with the noun or pronoun. Add is, am, or are. Add not and going to. Add the verb and extra information. For example, I am not going to study tonight. Or, we are not going to eat pizza. Remember, always add is, am, or are before going to. For example, I am going to work. I going to work is wrong. Or, she is going to sleep. She going to sleep is wrong. Or, they are going to play. They going to play is wrong. Use going to in a question to ask about an event. To form a question, begin with is, am, or are. Add the pronoun followed by going to. Add the verb and extra information. End it with a question mark. For example, are we going to watch a movie? Or, is she going to sleep? Now you know how to use going to in sentences and questions.